Alex. Alex, it's feeling rather chilly out there today.
It is. It's pretty cloudy out there too. Certainly we've still got that northeasterly wind and cloudy skies really across the board. If you've had enough of it, the good news is by the end of the week it's going to warm up and the sunshine will return. We've still got another day or so of these cloudy conditions with those brisk north to northeasterly winds. Temperatures are around 11 or 12 degrees at the moment, but further south perhaps 13 or 14 degrees possible where we get any glimmers of brightness, but on the whole it's looking fairly cloudy. Now into the evening and overnight, initially we'll see some clear skies developing, and then this cloud will start to move in from the North Sea towards the end of the night. Where we get the clear skies, it could be quite chilly, so certainly cold enough for a localised frost in places, possibly down to around 2 Celsius on 1 or 2 spots. And tomorrow, still high pressure with us, so that's going to bring us a lot of dry weather really for the next week or so. Not a lot of change, but we still have that northeasterly, so that will mean more clouds still for tomorrow. Perhaps some glimmers of brightness into the afternoon. 1 or 2 showers are possible, but they look like they'll be pretty isolated. Most places stay dry, and where we get any sunshine tomorrow afternoon later in the day, we could find temperatures climbing to around 15 or 16 degrees. Still pretty chilly on the North Norfolk coast with that brisk northeasterly wind, but it won't be quite so keen as it is today. And then the end of the week, a change on the way. High pressure starting to migrate to the east. We get drier continental air moving in on easterly winds, so we'll start to see increasing amounts of sunshine and warmth as well. This warmer air mass moving into place by the end of the week and into next week. Temperatures will start to climb once more. So before then, a little on the cool side, hopefully some sunny spells later in the day for tomorrow, looking more promising for Thursday, and increasing sunshine as we get those easterlies by Friday onwards, and those temperatures gradually building. So looking like 22 or 23 degrees possible by the start of next week. Overnight temperatures worth noting because it's still a little chilly overnight. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex.
It looks like butter wouldn't melt, bless
And
him.
what a gorgeous dog. He'll have his own fan club soon. He's absolutely adorable. Now, the weather, Susie, has been chilly again today, and we've had a lot of cloud around. And it is looking a little cloudy again tomorrow, but gradually things are going to improve. But certainly leaden skies here in Suffolk. A lot of cloud in this Northamptonshire photograph, but some late evening sunshine has been spotted by some weather watchers. This photograph taken in Essex this afternoon, and we'll see more sunshine into the weekend, and it does look warmer. If you're fed up with this chilly weather, it is going to improve. Long spells of sunshine as we get more of an easterly direction to the wind, and warmth as well. By Monday next week, temperatures could be up to 23 degrees. But for now, it's looking pretty chilly out there. We've had some clear skies that will bring our temperatures down, and it's going to be cold enough for a touch of ground frost in places before we start to see that North Sea cloud moving in again by first thing tomorrow morning. So 2s or 3s on the chart, certainly looking like a chilly one as we start the day tomorrow. Now, high pressure is here to stay, and it's going to bring us a lot of dry weather really into the weekend and beyond. A long stretch of dry weather, but we've still got this northeasterly for tomorrow, and what that means is more cloud moving in and perhaps 1 or 2 showers. A little bit of drizzle possible also out of the thickest cloud, but it looks more hopeful that we'll see some breaks in this cloud into tomorrow afternoon, so perhaps some brightness and some sunshine, and that will mean the temperatures lifting. So yes, it's going to be still chilly on the North Norfolk coast, but as we go further south, any breaks in the cloud will bring our temperatures up to 15 or 16 degrees. Looking ahead, this is what is going to change. The high pressure moving eastwards, more of an easterly direction to the wind. That'll drag in some drier air and some warmer air. So things will gradually improve for the end of the week, increasing amounts of sunshine. Not a bad outlook at all, actually, and those temperatures gradually climbing to around 22 or 23 degrees by the start of next week. Of course, overnight temperatures still to watch out for, because despite those warmer daytime highs, it is still looking chilly overnight over the next few nights. Susie.
Alex, thank you very much. That doesn't look bad.
Hello, the weather pretty chilly for another day or two before things start to improve. Overnight, some very chilly temperatures with a lot of clear sky initially. North Sea cloud pushing in across the region towards dawn, perhaps 1 or 2 fleeting showers. But we will see temperatures dropping as low as 2 or 3 degrees, so the risk of a touch of ground frost as we start the day. The high pressure still with us for tomorrow and beyond. Still a northeasterly wind. That'll bring in a lot of North Sea cloud and possibly 1 or 2 Fleeting showers, a little bit of light rain or drizzle in places, not out of the question. But it looks as though we'll see some decent breaks in that cloud into the afternoon. Some sunshine bringing our temperatures up to 15 or 16 degrees. And an easterly wind will bring us drier air for the end of the week and into the weekend. Long spells of sunshine, and the weather is turning warmer once more.